Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm in Nashville, Tennessee, and I'm gonna go over the key target industries and companies within those industries that drive Nashville's economy. Come on, let's get it. Hey you guys, my name's Matt Bogosian and I'm a real estate agent right here in Middle Tennessee. I make videos each and every week just like this one, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss future updates. Also, if you're thinking about buying a home here in Nashville, reach out to me at the number that pops up on the screen. All right, let's dive into the video. Nashville has quickly become the it city with over 100 people moving here each and every day. The bottom line, there's opportunity here no matter what you do. And one of those opportunities is healthcare. There are over 900 healthcare companies here in the Nashville region, and they're responsible for hiring approximately 168,000 people. Oh my gosh, can you believe that? So if you're somebody that works in healthcare or you want to get into that industry, there are a lot of opportunities here. Some of the employers include St. Thomas Medical, Vanderbilt Health, and HCA Healthcare, which is right here behind me. All right, so maybe you're the type of person that doesn't want to work in healthcare. Maybe you'd rather get your hands a little bit dirty and work in the manufacturing industry. Trust me, I completely understand. Here in the Nashville region, there are a ton of different manufacturers. In fact, manufacturing accounts for about 87,000 jobs here in the Nashville area. I've got multiple friends that work in manufacturing, and they're at places like General Motors, Nissan, Tyson Foods, Schneider Electric, and Train. There's a lot of manufacturers here for you to choose from. So if manufacturing is the industry you want to work in, we've got you covered. I've helped a ton of people make the move here to Nashville, and one of the biggest roadblocks that I hear from people is work. See, you need to have a job to be able to either rent or buy a home here because you need to show some income. And a lot of people don't have the luxury to work remotely, so they can't keep their current job wherever they're moving from. So one thing I just want to make sure you guys realize is sometimes you have to start in a position or with a company doing a job that maybe isn't your dream job, but it could lead to something in the future. And really, I'm probably the perfect example. I started my career working for Sherwin-Williams Paint Company, and I went into their management training program and worked my way up to manage a store. Did I like it? Not really, but I got a lot of good experience. From there, I went into outside sales and started selling Pella windows to home builders. Once again, I don't know, it wasn't my favorite. It was tough to do, it was a tough sale, but I learned a lot about houses and the construction industry. From there, I went to big ticket sales and I started selling commercial roofing for a large commercial roofing manufacturer. They did projects like the Music City Center in downtown Nashville. Once again, it wasn't ultimately for me, but that led me to real estate and where I am today. So if you're making the transition here to Nashville and you can't find like the perfect job for you, just know that it will probably lead you to something better down the road. All right, remember earlier when I told you about all these companies moving their corporate headquarters here to the Nashville area? Well, corporate operations as a whole is kind of a big deal here. I'm actually standing out in front of the Tractor Supply Company here in Brentwood, Tennessee, and this is where they have their corporate headquarters. In addition to Tractor Supply, there's also some other companies that you might consider kind of very southern. For example, we've got Dollar General. There's probably not a small town in America that doesn't have a Dollar General. We've got Cracker Barrel Country Stores. We've also got Nissan in Bridgestone Americas. If you work in that corporate arena, there are plenty of opportunities and jobs for you here in Nashville, Tennessee. Nashville, also known as the Music City, has the largest number of music companies in the nation. In fact, the city of Nashville has approximately 42,000 jobs in the music industry. I'm right out here on Music Row, and you're gonna find people with all sorts of different occupations within the music industry here. You've got singers, songwriters, you've got musicians, producers, people that work at the actual large corporations like this one right here behind me. If you wanna be in the music industry, Nashville's the place to be. Some other big industries here in the Nashville area include tourism and hospitality, and they hire about 75,000 people. And then we also have technology, believe it or not, and there are about 63,000 technology employees. Guys, I cannot stress enough, there is a ton of opportunity here in Nashville. There are plenty of jobs, and you can move here and thrive. All right, guys, you don't want to miss this. If you're thinking about moving here to Nashville, Tennessee, you want to call me at the number that pops up on the screen. Also, most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my future updates. I'm making videos just like this one each and every week. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Bye.